everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Clash Royale connection loss problem. So many users are facing this issue today where the game is not loading or showing a connection error. So firstly, check your internet connection and make sure you are using a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Second, you can restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the temporary network glitches. And if you still face the problem, then open the Play Store app. At the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Clash Royale app and update if available. And after this, if you still face the problem, then clear the cache of Clash Royale. For this, go to the Settings app and tap on Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. And lastly, nothing works, then uninstall and reinstall it again. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.